In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create overlay modals in a Figma prototype. Let's start by opening the prepared Figma prototype. Head over to Figma Drafts in your browser. Then double-click the prepared draft to launch it. Over in the left layer sidebar, click the base frame to select it. Now let's create the overlay interaction. On the dashboard frame, select the trigger frame from the Layers panel. Then click Prototype at the top of the right sidebar. Click the plus icon beside Interactions. Click the trigger dropdown and select On Click. Next, click the Action dropdown and choose Open Overlay. Click the Destination dropdown and select the modal frame you want to appear. With that connected, it's time to configure the overlay behavior. Under Position, select the Center Position preset so the modal appears in the middle of the screen. Enable Close when clicking outside so users can dismiss the modal by tapping the surrounding area. Then enable the Background option, which adds a dimmed layer behind the modal. Once those are set, click an empty area of the canvas to close the Interaction Details panel. Now let's configure the Close icon so users can dismiss the modal directly. Expand the modal frame in Layers, then select the Close icon inside it. Click the plus icon again, beside Interactions in the right sidebar. Click the trigger dropdown and choose On Click. Then click the Action dropdown and select Close Overlay. Notice that no destination is required when you choose Close Overlay, since Figma simply removes the current modal layer. Lastly, let's preview and test the overlay modal to make sure everything works as expected. Select the base frame and Layers. Then click the triangular play button near Share in the upper right corner to open the preview. In the prototype, click the trigger button. Confirm that the modal appears centered above the dashboard, with a dimmed background behind it. Now click the times icon to close it. Open the modal again to test the second closing behavior. This time, click the dimmed area outside the modal. Confirm that the modal closes and the dashboard remains visible underneath. The prototype now opens the frame as a centered overlay above the dashboard, adds a dimmed background, and closes from either the times icon or a click outside the modal. This gives your prototype a true modal interaction, while keeping the original screen visible for context. Congratulations, you've successfully created an overlay modal in your Figma prototype.